Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, I will show you how to rebuild the Numberblocks 0 to 100 part 15, or we can call 86 to 90. Alright, let's move on to Numberblock 86. Numberblock 86 is made of 80 light pink blocks and 6 indigo blocks. Also, 86 is made up because 86 is 80 plus 6, and also he's made of two 43s. Well, it's because 43 is the 14th member of the prime number, which means 43 is a scalar. So which means two 86, two 43s are 86. That's why he's also a scalar like 43. Because 43s are 86 and 43 is the 14th member of the prime club. That's why he has a helmet like Numberblock 14 and he loves to skate. Anyways, 80 blocks are finished. And then we need 6 more to make 86. Oh, not like that, like this. Oh, it fits. Let's do a magic trick again. Well, if I put like this, you cannot see the face at the bottom. How to do? Alright, let's do a magic trick. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here is the Numberblock 86. 86 is finished, which is made of two 43s or 80 plus 6. So let's move on to the Numberblock 87. For the Numberblock 87 is made of 80 light pink blocks and 7 rainbow blocks, because 87 is made of 80 plus 7. Also, she's made of 3 29s. Well, actually 29 is loves clubs, right? But I feel like if the number which can divide it by 29 but bigger than 29, like 58 or 87 or 116, I made the bunnies, right? Like 58. According to the Numberblock band quarters, because I'm the fan of the Numberblocks band quarters with the multiplication. Anyways, don't think about band quarters. Well, 87, I built 80 blocks like normal 80, and then we need 7 blocks more to make 87. We include red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, like this. Then we put it on the top. Oh no, like this. Alright, let's do a well, I don't want to do a magic trick. Well, let's put the sticker. Ta-da! 87 is finished. 80 plus 7 or 3 29s, like this face. Anyways, let's move on to the Numberblock 88. Right, for the next character is 88. Numberblock 88 is made of 80 light pink blocks and 80 light pink blocks and 8 normal pink blocks, medium pink blocks. Well, he's made up, since he's made of 80 plus 8, he could also be 8 11s or 4 22s or 2 44s. He's an octoblock, but multiplication with football player. Well, in my assumption, he has 6 arms like number 8 and 80 or 56, right? And he has a shoe like the football player 11 or 22, but except from 55. I don't know why 55 doesn't have a shoe like shoes like others number blocks. Or I mean not other like the team of 11s. I don't know why. Well, anyways, I think 88 will maybe have maybe has a shoe, but just my assumption. Anyways, don't think about it. Let's just do the number block 88. I build number block 88 by using 80 like pink blocks by using 8 blocks wide and 10 blocks tall, and put the 8 blocks which lays 8 blocks wide and 1 block tall, but on the top. But also we can call it easier and faster is 11 blocks tall and 8 blocks wide, because he's made of 8 11s or 11 8s, like this. I think I shouldn't do the magic trick again, so let's just put a sticker. Just wait for a while. Ta-da! I'm done of putting the stickers of the number block 88, which is the 8th member of the football club or the football 11 club. Let's move on to the number block 89. For the next number block is 89. Number block 89 is made of 80 light pink blocks and 9 gray blocks, which means she's made of 80 plus 9. Well, she cannot make any rectangles, which means she's the prime number. She's the order 24 of the prime number, or 24th club of the prime number. Well, some cases, I seen 89 wears glasses, but some cases, number block 89 is very rich. But some cases, number block 89 is normal. But I decided to choose with glasses. Well, she's the 24th member of the prime club, but I like to make the another lucky number, like 89. Well, anyways, I have seen the number block 89, which is in the scratch, which is he's very rich, with a sign said that I love Fibonacci. Fibonacci is the math rule. Fibonacci is the math rule, which is default two numbers 0 and 1, and then we need 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 13 plus 8 is 21, and also 21 plus 13 is 34, and 34 plus 34 plus 21 is 55, and 55 plus 34 is 89, which means she loves Fibonacci. Well, anyways, let's put a sticker. Just wait for a while. Ta-da! 89 is finished, which is the 24th member of the prime club. See, I put her, which is wear the glasses. Anyways, let's go to the last one, which is number block 90. Okay, let's move on to the number block 90. Number block 90 is made of 90 gray blocks, because 90 is made of 10 9s or 9 10s. 90 is also made of 3 30s, which means the first 30 is the first 30 blocks are light gray at the left. The second 30 blocks are medium gray, and the last, which is on the middle, and the last 30 blocks, which is at the right, are dark gray. First, I do the middle gray blocks first. Then we do like this. Put on the right. Oh, upside down. Come on. Well, I built number block 19 by using 9 by 10 rectangle formation, which means he's a super duper rectangle. I know he's a super duper rectangle because he can make 8, or I don't know, more than 8 rectangles. But anyways, don't make an experience because I don't want to waste the time. Come on, I can do it. Number block 90 is almost finished. 81, 84, 87, 90. That's all. The number block 90 is finished. Let's attach the stickers. Ta-da! Number block 90 is finished. Oh, I forget the pocket. Sorry, number block fans, because I forget every time. Well, please forgive me. I'm sorry about that. Anyways, here is the number block 90, which is made of 10 9s or 9 10s, or 6 15s or 15 6s. Anyways, which number or which character do you like the most? 86, 87, 88, 89, or 90? Leave the comments. Well, this is the end of this video, how to rebuild the number blocks from 0 to 100 part. Wait. 30. Stop. Oh, I remember part 15. Sorry, everyone. Well, all the characters, I built 5 characters from 31 to 100 by 5 characters in one video because I don't want to waste many times to do it. Well, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye bye.